Unlocking the secrets to property values is easier than you think, and today, we're diving headfirst into how to use Redfin like a pro. First, head over to redfin.com in the search bar. Type in the address of the property you're interested in. This could be your own home, one you're considering buying, or even an investment property. Hit enter to get started. Now, take a look at the property overview page. Redfin provides its own estimate of the property's value, called the Redfin estimate. Also, be sure to note the accuracy rating next to the Redfin estimate. The more stars, the more reliable the estimate. Scroll down to the comparable homes section. This is gold. Redfin lists similar properties that have recently sold nearby. Pay close attention to the details: square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lot size, and most importantly, the sale price. Click on the map view. This helps you visualize the location of the comparable sales in relation to your target property. Location matters, so note any differences, like proximity to schools, parks, or busy streets. Dig deeper by clicking on one of the comparable properties. Scroll down to the property history. Look at the history to see the price trends over time. This gives you an idea of how the market is moving in that area. Fine-tune your search. Use the filters at the top of the page to narrow down comparable properties based on specific criteria like property type, square footage range, and number of beds and baths. The more closely the comps match your target property, the more accurate your valuation will be. Finally, compare and contrast. Put your target property side by side with the comparable sales and identify any key differences, such as upgrades, condition, or unique features. Adjust the Redfin estimate based on these factors to get a more refined valuation. And there you have it. Using Redfin strategically can empower you to make smarter decisions in the real estate world. Now go forth and conquer the market.